unfortunately, he said his allowance was only good for one soft drink. And he cannot even buy food because the wife gave him sandwiches. So, so all the time that we were working for Dito Manahan, we never tasted a blowout of it. Because the wife was very strict, he was under budget. And then I went to then I had a research and information department. And they were the experts in investment analysis and evaluation. We made recommendations to investment services. That's why their portfolio earned about 100% per annum because of our recommendations. Because we were so good, they promoted me to head credit department, and my assistant then was Kojak. And Pink Slip. Kojak. And our credit recommendations were also very, very good. But we were always overtaken and overruled by Louis Villafuerte. And his recommendations were all turned into budget. I think that is the reason my bank has problems. At Bulacan, we became a government official. She joined Manny Villar very recently. And after that, Josue was my pet peeve because he wanted to release money to unworthy clients. And all my pink slip were overruled again by who? By Simbao. Oh, Simbao, Then, after that, we formed FED, the term invented by Mr. Rojas to make us sound very sophisticated and highly technical, but it was really just also credit. FED means Financial Engineering Department, and because of that, now the graduate schools of business are offering courses in financial engineering. Thanks to us. That is it. Financial engineering.
It goes with financial doctorate.
Make sure that the credit gets approved. Then, what happened? I forgot what happened after that. But I think I joined Security Bank. Just in time.
Which we thought was ours.
Because after that, Bangko became Union Bank.
We reached
Okay, so that is my life in Bangko. So I will not proceed anymore to my life after Bangko.
We reached